Temps to get out and social distance, but also to get some exercise.
Yeah, we'll get that again for tomorrow before a chance of thunderstorms on Wednesday. It's just this time of the year, really from April 1st to about mid-June, our severe weather season here in central Texas. And anytime we get days of 80, 90-degree weather, persistent wind off the Gulf of Mexico ahead of some weak frontal boundaries, you'll have to count in at least a chance of severe weather. We'll talk about that. A little bit of severe weather possible on Wednesday. Out there right now, it's beautiful. Sunshine, just some high cirrus clouds coming in. 87 at the airport. It's 85 right now at Camp Mapry. Still low humidity, but an east-southeast wind will slowly bring back the humidity in our atmosphere over really the next 24 hours, noticeably much more humid starting tomorrow. Temperatures right now, many spots are in the mid-80s. It's a little bit hotter down in Wimberley where it's 89, even some 90s still being reported down towards the southern areas of Caldwell County. Low 80s in LaGrange and also in Giddings, up towards Cameron with some lingering cloud cover. It's 100 right now in Laredo versus 70s up in North Texas. What we're watching is an area of low pressure that's getting stronger. It's approaching the Northern California coast, and it's this one that will eventually drag a Pacific front through the state of Texas on Wednesday. So the timeline for thunderstorms for us, mid-morning on Wednesday into the evening time, and the best chance of severe weather looks to be east of the interstate. Let's show you the timeline. No worries for tonight, but the clouds do come back after midnight, along with some patchy areas of fog. Some of the fog was dense this morning, a couple of thick pockets for tomorrow morning, and not as pretty tomorrow. We'll look for a mix of clouds and sun, even mostly cloudy over parts of the area, with a small chance of a shower or thunderstorm, mainly to the west and north of Austin. Then Wednesday, another round of fog and low clouds, mild temperatures in the morning, and then here comes that Pacific front. Notice a chance of thunderstorms late morning into the early afternoon. This is a look at future radar, just updated here in the last few minutes, showing noontime thunderstorms and then moving off towards the east by the early part of the evening, giving us a chance of, again, some strong to severe weather. From Austin westward into the hill country, it's a low threat for severe weather on Wednesday, a 1 out of 5 on that severe weather scale, a marginal risk. And then here in yellow, from really East Austin back off to the east, a 2 out of 5 risk, a slight risk, mainly for thunderstorms on Wednesday, producing some hail. So we'll keep an eye on that. Not super excited on the amount of rainfall that we'll see on Wednesday, up to a ½ inch possible, mainly for our friends out here towards the east of the interstate. So here's a check of the allergy count. Everything was high today. Gusty, dry west wind yesterday made for increased pollen today. Everything across the board with the exception of mold in the high count. So down to 66 tonight. Clouds increase along with some fog after midnight, and overall more cloud cover for tomorrow. The chance for a shower or storm, again, mainly west and north of town at 20%. Will up the rain chance for thunderstorms, some of which strong or severe, on Wednesday to 60%. And then we're just back to the heat and sunshine. Mid-80s on Thursday, low 90s on Friday. Temperatures in the 80s for this upcoming weekend, mid-80s and partly cloudy a week from today. We'll have another weather update coming up tonight at 6. Let's send it back to Terry.